Hello friends, in this video I will show how to install Python latest version on your Windows 11. So open any web browser and search Python, download. Now here click on this first official link. Now guys, you will see download the latest version for Windows. If you are using different system like Linux, Mac OS, so click here on this available link, and if you are using Windows system, so just click on download Python. This is the fresh and latest version 3.11.0, and once this downloading process will complete, installed in your system, and once installation complete, restart your system. So this is the first part for this video, how to download, and in second part of this video I will show you how to configure this software with your system and how to use Python. So this is a complete series, one by one videos you will see to learn Python. Now once downloading process will complete, double click on this setup file. Now here click on install now. If it will ask permissions, so click on yes. Now wait till this process will complete. So once guys this setup was successful, close and restart your system. So this is the first part for learning Python, and in second part I will show you how to set up, configure and use Python in your Windows 11. So stay tuned, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching.